How to convert a WAV file to an MP3 file. Very easily, just simply head over to your browser and type in the URL box veed.io/convert/video-converter. You can also click on the first link in the description. Alright, once you're on the converter page, you can select the file type you want to convert to. In this case it's MP3, so I'm going to select that. And after that I want to upload my WAV file for my desktop, so I'm going to click on upload your file and select snippet tim.wav and click on open. And keep in mind this is free and you don't need to create an account for this, you can instantly get started. Once the file is imported, you can instantly click on convert file because we already selected MP3 from the start. So I'm going to select convert file. So all we need to do now is click on download MP3 to download our MP3 file straight to our device. Oh, and just a little bonus, you can also edit your videos and audio fragments with VEED's online video editor. You can easily add audio visualizers, subtitles, text, emojis, progression bars, and much more. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day and good luck.